It's been a year since the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, and since then we've seen the Indiana General Assembly pass a near-total abortion ban, but the procedure is still legal here as the state law is being challenged. WRTV's Meredith Hackler shows us how providers and advocates are navigating this uncertain time.
Abortion is still accessible in the state of Indiana. Providers like Planned Parenthood say that they've seen an increase in people seeking abortions from out of state. Because of that, they've had to hire and train more staff. They temporarily paused their abortion care here at their location on Georgetown Road. They just started providing care again last week.
We were still providing abortion in Maryville, in Lafayette, in Bloomington, and are providing abortion care in Georgetown.
Planned Parenthood Indiana says they paused abortion care in Indianapolis from December of last year until last week, something abortion fund providers say put a strain on patients seeking access.
Abortion care and abortion access, it's become less accessible over this past year, although we're doing everything we can to try to ease some of that burden for families and for people.
We talked with Jessica Marchbank last year. She's the state program director for All Options Pregnancy Resource Center. They help women get an abortion if they can't afford it or aren't able to find a clinic. She says they're preparing for a future where abortion isn't accessible in Indiana.
We now have a funding relationship with over 60 abortion care providers. If the ban were to go back into effect, we would be able to help Hoosiers access care in multiple other states.
And now the Indiana Supreme Court will likely have the final say on if abortion remains accessible to Hoosiers.
What the Indiana Supreme Court is considering is whether liberty encompasses the right to get an abortion that is more liberal than the law that was proposed by the legislature.
The Indiana Supreme Court is expected to rule on the constitutionality of the abortion law by the end of this month. But even if they rule in favor of the legislature, another challenge to the law will also prevent the ban from going into effect right away.
There is still the religious freedom lawsuit, which could prove to be a game changer. And again, there is an injunction which restricts the law from going into effect.
Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
A spokesperson for the Indiana Supreme Court said the end of the fiscal year is June 30th, and that means we could have a ruling on the state's abortion law by next week. In addition to Indiana, abortion is also legal in Michigan, Illinois, and Ohio, which all border our state. But there is a full ban on abortion in Kentucky, as well as many states in the South, stretching from Texas up to West Virginia.